Hey everyone, it's Ben again. We've just been down the Autobahn, um, tick up on Afterpay. So let's have a look at what we got and what we'll be doing today. Alright, so today's all about car stereo. Started off, we bought this Sony for 180 bucks. CD player and shit. I could have got just the Bluetooth one, but like I got this mad CD collection, so I wanted CDs. 55 by 4. It's got 3 outputs. Yep, 3 pre-outputs. So yeah, that's the head unit I picked. Don't ask me why. Between the price and the look and everything, you're not going to see it anyway. It's going in the glove box. So next up we had to get some front speakers. We bought these Kicker 150 watt, 50 watt RMS. They anyway, the guy reckons they should fucking go awesome. Heaps clear sound. They look really cool. Can't wait to get them going. Now they're going in the front. There's not enough room in the kick panels. I'm not cutting up my min door cards, so we're up in the air about where they're going. Maybe the center console, maybe just hide them up under the dash. Next up, 6x9s. We bought these Alpha 6930s, 490 max, 70 watt RMS. The guy also reckons these should crank with that stereo. Yeah, they're pretty plain looking, nothing special. They're going to get put up on the back parcel tray. We bought the wiring kit so we can join everything together, I guess. And then in the back, we bought a Rockford Fosgate 10-inch powered enclosure. Now it's got like the little amplifier bit here you plug everything into, and I'm gonna screw it in there, and yeah, should crank. Now the 6x9s, they're going up here, up on the parcel tray where the cover is. I'm not sure exactly how much I'm gonna have to trim out of the back of that yet to fit them in, but we'll find out as we go. And moving to the front, we got one of the little kicker speakers here. So now it won't fit in here. There's like just physically not enough room. There is enough room to put it about there. Now, because I've gone like the little, I didn't get the fucking 6 or whatever. I only got the little ones. I forgot exactly. But if you got bigger ones, they'll hit the door handle or the window winder almost if you put them in the door. But smaller ones won't. So then you don't lose your knuckles every time you need to wind the window up and down. But like I said, I'm not cutting these door cards. My next thought was to cut the center console, because I've already cut it before for previous mods in another car, and yeah, so I thought, well, like yeah, it's fucked anyway. Nobody's ever going to pay top dollar for it, and I don't really give a shit. I'm not going to sell it anyway. So I'm thinking they could go there, and then we may just have enough depth before we run into issues there, because it'll sit down and that tapers in and like everything looks like it might just work, but it won't cover that hole. It'll be like there sort of, and this bit here will be open to the heater. So like that's one option. The other option is just to like jam it up under here somewhere and screw it up under the dash. I don't really want to do that because it doesn't look the best, and it's a bit dodgy. But like Yeah, just ignore the missus's thongs. They're not mine, they're the missus's. So anyway, we'll see how we go. Alright, so as you can hear, stereo's all done. I'll give you a quick run round and show you how I did it, where everything is, and yeah, give you a listen. We've come down near the boat harbour at Burnett Heads, near my house, because I don't think my neighbours and everyone else in my street really likes it. So anyway, give us a look. So starting off, we've got the little kicker 4 inches down in the kick panels. I had to get that MDF spacer. It still needs to be finished off a bit, but they're in for the moment. Coming round to the back, we've got the 6x9s mounted nicely in the parcel tray up here. They fit really good. They're kind of hidden in there, so they're not obvious. Nothing really is obvious. It worked out really well. We'll grab the keys and show you the boot. Now, you'll have to excuse my boot. There is a little bit of mess. We've got the wrong key. 2 sets of the same keys on the key ring that are different. It's shit. Too many Datsuns. So, alright, they're struts. That's part of another video. We'll get back to that at another time. This is what we've come to show you. It's my Rockford Fosgate powered enclosure. She's all wired in there. You can see all the wires around here with the amplifier on this side, but I can't really get at it without pulling it all out at the moment, and I'm not going to do that. So that's the sub. Now we'll come round to the guts of the thing. Is all hidden in here. I'm gonna make a tray that'll go on top, and then I'll still have enough glove box room up here to sort of put what I need in there. So we'll just fire it up. I've got it wired up so the stereo will only come on when the car's actually running, because otherwise it'll run the battery flat too quick. So there's the subs just kicked in now. So I'm running just on half volume there. You got this dial down here that controls the sub, no sub, all sub. So this is Silverchair playing at the moment. It's not exactly techno or anything, but you can feel the bass. Like, it is pretty fucking sweet. So, yeah, that's my stereo. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I need all the subscribers I can get, all the likes I can have. I'll take it all. I won't say no to any of it. And, I hope you are having a good day as what I am out here at lovely Burnett Heads. When all the COVID shit's over, pack your bags, come for a holiday. You won't regret it. Take it easy. Don't get sick.